NATO Air Training Command on Shirzada Air Base prepares Afghans as helicopter pilots, qualifying them for the Afghan Air Force. Long days mark their aviation training.
The students will show up at the classroom. Typically we'll do a brief that would incur something in reference to a flight topic that we're going to be talking about for the day, or possibly something that they're going to be asked in the future. So we'll pick a topic academically that we're going to discuss, and then we'll go through what's called our flight brief, our daily flight brief, which basically speaks specifically to the tasks that they'll be doing that day and what the weather conditions are, the flight conditions for the day.
What's the best thing to do? There you go. Why? Because they have a high parachute.
Student training is normally a challenge. You never know what's going to happen from one day to the next. They understand what is expected of them, but we develop a pretty decent bond. I think there's a pretty decent rapport. Typically, it's a learning experience, so as they continue to learn, you feel a sense of accomplishment.
Learning the material and graduating the class is very important. However,
our people have not a good time in the past, and now we want to improve our country in our Air Force, and also this new generation, they want to become a good pilot, so you have to study a lot. That's part of the mission.
I think what we're doing here is very necessary. I think the students get a lot from our training. I think it's going to be a good relationship, a long-standing relationship, and it'll benefit the country as a whole.
the instructors work with the students to improve their ability to understand the learning objective for any particular training day to ensure that they will be ready to serve Afghanistan from the skies above. Army Sergeant David Taylor, Shirzada Air Base, Afghanistan.